Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you Alfrckato garden. Hope you enjoy the video. It's me Shafin and welcome to the video. Boom. There is 1 kilometer of flat to the garden. Now here is the garden. Here is so many type of flowers and so many type of plants. Now let's go inside. Here are stone, thread, seeds and sands. Fertilizers and sunflower seeds are here. Also pots are here. This is the variety berry tree. Here is winter starting, that's why so many wind are here. This is the almond tree. And this is the grapevine. Some aloe veras are here. Guys, comment down below this plant's name. These baby plants are grown from seeds. Here is moringa plant. Guys, this is money plant. For this money plant is 6 BD. And for the small money plant is 3 BD. They will give us from the old pot to the new pot. Again here is money plant. Guys, some bamboo sticks are here. This is binga. So many aloe veras are here. Here is winsa flower. Here is purple heart. Here is poly leaves. Here is beautiful plant. Here is Japanese hulls. Guys, do you know the name of this plant? Comment down below. Guys, this is the mango tree. Here is the coconut tree. Here is guava. And this is the papaya tree. Here is a climber. Some cactus are here. And this is the coconut tree. Again here is so many almond tree. This is Duranda erecta plant. This is bougainvillea. This is strawberry plant. This is the yellow bougainvillea. For this plant is 13 BD. This is the moringa plant. Guys, do you think the flower is beautiful? Comment down below. This is Arab tamarind. Here is pink, violet, so many color bougainvillea. Guys, this is vape. This is the copper plant and this is vape. Again here is so many type of bougainvillea. Guys, do you want to contact them? I will give their number in the description box. Now I'm gonna wind up. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future more updates. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.